This class is brought to you by the LA Care and Blue Shield Promise Community Resource Centers. The centers are a place to help you be active, healthy, and informed. We hope you enjoy this virtual class.
Hi, my name is Angie. What's your name?
Naveen.
You're Naveen? So me and my daughter are making a fun recipe today. Do you know what we're making today?
Yeah, Mom.
What are we making?
We're meeting down. Why are we meeting?
What are we making? Do you want me to tell everybody what we're making?
Yeah.
So we're making cauliflower wings today. So instead of using chicken that you normally would with wings, yeah, we're making cauliflower wings. So they're gonna be really healthy, really yummy. So you do need your parent to help you with this. We are going to put it in the oven just to cook. So you definitely need your parents' help. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna use our cauliflower. We got a whole head of cauliflower, but we need to wash it first, right?
And what?
But before we wash it, what do we have to wash?
Wash your hands.
Yeah, because our hands get dirty. So let's go ahead and wash our hands before we get started. Okay, let's get some soap. Some soap for Naveen. Okay, can you show me how to wash your hands? You go behind, both sides. What's next? Okay, you do your knuckles on both sides. What about your nails? Clean those nails like this. Clean those nails like this. Oh, in between your fingers, yeah. Remember, we have to get our thumb. And on the other side, make sure we get them all nice and clean. Good job. We can even go up here. So we can make sure we get all of that dirtiness off, right? Get rid of all those germs off our hands. Okay, let's get this down. Are your hands nice and clean? Okay. Oh. You all done? Okay. Now, Mommy's gonna get the cauliflower so we can wash the cauliflower.
Can you wash it?
We are going to
I
wash
can
it.
do it here.
Yeah, you can. So I'm gonna take this off. You wanna help Mommy just take it out?
Yeah.
Oh, are you strong? You're so strong! So I'm gonna use this right here so we can put all of our trash in. All these leaves we are not gonna be using.
I got it.
Oh, I did drop it. You wanna help Mommy take these off? We're gonna take the stem off the cauliflower. We don't need that. Oh, good job, big girl. Here, you can put it in the bag right here. Good job. Good job. I'm gonna open this a little bit because we're gonna need to break them apart anyways. That we can clean and right on the inside. Because there's dirt that goes inside sometimes. Hey, you wanna put it down a little bit? So we're gonna start breaking them apart just to make sure that we actually get that dirt. We definitely have to clean it.
Yeah, I want to eat them.
Okay. Okay, now that they're all done, I'm gonna grab a towel so make sure that they don't get wet everywhere. So now we're gonna use 2 bowls. One of them is gonna be for our mixture. The other bowl is going to be for the cauliflower that we end up ripping up.
I don't want to.
So you wanna have them around bite-sized pieces. We don't really need a knife. You might wanna use your kid-friendly knife if you want to, but we don't need it. We just need to rip them up. So you wanna have maybe pieces like this or a little bigger, whatever you feel comfortable with. I just like to just break them with my hands and put them in here like this.
I don't want it. I want to cut it.
You want to cut it? Okay. You have to be careful, okay?
Okay, I can put one here.
Okay. Uh-oh, is it hard? Do you need help? Here, maybe try ripping it, seeing if that's easier. Is that easier? Okay, I'll just rip them in half, okay? So you can have them whatever size you want. You can have them really tiny, you can have them really big. You don't want them too small, that way they're able to get nice and coated. So we're just gonna rip these up and then we're gonna get ready for our mixture or what is known as our batter before we put them in the oven. So while Naveen is ripping those up, I'm gonna put the oven on for 425 degrees on bake.
We need to beat it.
Okay, watch with your fingers, watch out with your fingers. Watch out with your fingers. Okay, and push down. Okay, I think this is good. This is good.
Then I do it.
Yes, it is. You can just pull this one apart. See?
No,
There we
I
go.
have to cut it.
We don't need to cut anymore. We're all done. Okay, so right now we're going to be using our flour. We're going to be using 1 cup of flour. So Mommy's going to grab 1 cup.
Oh, you the big one more.
Well, we need to use the big one because we need to make sure we get all of those covered, okay? Ooh. Let me get that nice in there. You want to put it in there?
Yeah.
Ready? Flip it. Oh my goodness, that is a lot of flour.
Wow.
Wow.
Cut now.
Okay, we're gonna use our garlic powder next.
I'll just cut it.
Okay, well this one we're actually gonna be using, let's see, 2 teaspoons. So I'm gonna fill them up for you, and then you can put them in there because it's gonna be a little hard for you to do this. Oh, whoa! Okay, ready?
I can't drop it.
It's okay. Ready? There's 1. Let me do the other one because it is a little messy, so I'm trying to be very, very careful not to get it everywhere.
You're being careful.
I am being careful.
You drop it.
I did drop some. Ready? Drop it. That's 2. Yay!
No more.
Yeah, no more garlic. We are all done with the garlic. So next we're gonna do our cumin.
I'll just tune it.
So with this one, I'm gonna take this off so we don't get it dirty. And this one, we also need 1 teaspoon. So I'm gonna make sure it's not too full. So I'm gonna take some out. Ready? Good job. So we're doing all of our dry ingredients first, and then after we're done mixing those, we'll put our milk and our water in. So next, we're using our paprika. Can you say paprika?
Paprika.
Good job. So we're also gonna do 1 teaspoon of this. I'm gonna put this in.
That's spicy.
It's not spicy. It looks spicy because it's red, but it's not spicy. Oh, come on. Ready? Oh, sorry. Okay, and then we're gonna use a little bit of our salt. Well, we don't need a lot of salt, so we're actually gonna use maybe like a little pinch. We don't need a lot of salt. So Mommy's gonna put a little pinch. Okay, I'll put a little pinch of salt in your hand. We're gonna do 2 pinches, so go ahead and put that in there. Go all the way around. And 1 more little pinch. Ready? Put that all the way around. All done?
All done.
Okay, next we're gonna be using our black pepper. If you have it,
Black pepper.
yeah, so if you already have it in powdered form, you don't need a lot, maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon. If not, you can do it like this. You wanna help Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna grab it from here. Just go twist, 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 twist. All done. We don't need it. Do you want a little bit more?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Next, do you want to use the big one or the little one?
I want those.
Okay, we have to mix this one first and then we put that in there.
I don't make it. No, me.
Okay, make sure you're doing slow so it doesn't go everywhere, okay?
I did doing clothes.
Okay, I can help
Mom, I
you.
did
Okay, let's grab it from
clothes.
right here. Let me see, let go. I'm gonna grab it from right there. There you go, good job. Now mix.
I can make it.
Can I help you?
No.
Do you know how to mix really good? Hey, so do you know that this is really healthy for us? We're eating cauliflower instead of eating it, with the chicken. Yes, you can have chicken, but we're also putting it in the oven, so we're not gonna be deep frying it, which is not healthy for us. Look, I'm mixing this right here. So this is nice and mixed. You see how there's still color coming through? You wanna make sure that we don't get any more of those.
Hey. We're
Okay.
making it.
Okay, what do you wanna put next? Do you wanna do the water first or the milk?
I'll do one.
Okay,
Milk.
so the milk or the water?
Milk.
Okay, so we're doing 1/2 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of water. Do you need help?
No, me.
Okay, be careful. Good job. Okay, let's get the water in there here. Oh, good job. Okay, I'm gonna start slowly and I'm gonna give it to you right now, okay? That way you don't...
How do you do it?
You wanna use... No, this one's yours. This one's Navene's.
Okay.
Okay, make sure we're going slow because if not, you're gonna get it everywhere. Look. Slow. So you wanna make sure this is a nice little paste that you're gonna get because you're gonna put it all over your wings. Does it smell good? No, we can't eat it yet because we still have to cook this. Oh my goodness, look at that. Here, mommy do it a little faster?
No.
Okay, then you do it slow, okay? Let's do it a little slow. A little slow.
I'm gonna eat it.
Okay. Look, mommy's gonna get it all from the corners.
Okay, eat.
Oh, you wanna twist it for me? Okay, you turn it then.
No, you do it.
I'm doing it. Do you wanna do it?
Yeah.
Okay. I think we're all done, right? Here, I'm gonna just give it a really quick spin. Make sure that everything's nice. And I think we might need a little bit more water, but we will test it out first. So we already have one of our area that we're gonna put it in. Just put a little bit more, just so she can. Okay, no more, okay? Okay, so are you almost done mixing it? Okay, let me see. Can I check really quick? This smells really good. Okay, smells good? So I'm gonna use some olive oil, extra olive oil spray, just to make sure that it doesn't get stuck. Or you can just put the oil yourself. So we're using this. Hey, let's not touch that right now. Look, I'm gonna show you what we're doing next, okay? So this is gonna be a little messy. So you're gonna grab this. You're gonna grab one of them. You're gonna put that in there. Get it all covered up as much as you can. And then,
I know what did.
and then when it's all done, I don't want to do too thick of a coat. Put it right in there. Okay, can you do that?
Yeah.
Here's this one. Ready? It's okay if your hands get dirty, okay? Does it feel weird?
A baby deal.
Okay, I'm gonna grab another one and start doing that one right here. While you're doing that so we can get these done all fast. So what we're gonna do, the other option is having it in there and just moving it with all the batter and getting it as coated as you want. This is just gonna help you not get as messy. It's gonna help. Okay, so when we're doing it, so it's kind of like you're scooping it. So you're scooping it up and down. We're making sure we're getting the batter all over it, okay? See?
Must be doing it.
So I think we are almost done getting all this batter. We wanna make sure we coat it as much as we can. So the next part, Naveen, that we're doing, look, you can help me with it. You can either grab it with your hands. You can start putting them there. You can start putting them everywhere, or we can scoop them like this. It's okay. Look, you can grab the little one with the little one. You can make sure that you separate them so they're not too close to each other, okay? Can you do that?
I do it for it.
So mommy's gonna put them right here for you, okay? You wanna have them a little separated, so if it's easier just to coat them and have them separated like that, you can. Just for Naveen's sake of touching everything, which is okay. If you don't want to get messy, that's okay. You have this option as well. So with the oven now on and ready to go, we're gonna set them in there for about 30 minutes or 45 minutes, depending on how toasted you want them. If you want them a little bit more crispy, you can definitely add a little bit more time. You just wanna make sure the flour is fully cooked before, okay? So we will see you when these are fully cooked. So they're all out of the oven. Do they look yummy? You ready to eat them? So you can eat them just like that. Naveen likes to dip them. So what I'm gonna do,
Love it.
yeah, I'm gonna grab it. It's still a little warm, so I'm not gonna let you do it. I'm gonna put some of your barbecue sauce on one.
No, I'll eat it.
And then we're gonna do ketchup. We have organic ketchup.
Then we take it with you.
And we have a little bit of organic ranch.
And we want.
Uh-oh, be careful.
Okay.
And let's do this one. So they're gonna be stuck a little bit. It's normal. You can just break them apart and you'll be okay. So we'll get some of that ranch on there. Okay, which one do you want to eat first?
This.
That one has barbecue sauce, that one has ketchup, and this one has ranch.
Okay.
Okay, get whatever you want. I'm gonna grab a little piece of one right here. What should I get?
This.
You may get barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
Okay, cheers. Mmm. Mmm. That's yummy. You like it? I think you like it. So definitely very easy to make. Whatever sauce you want to put on it. If you want to put like a lemon pepper seasoning on it after, you can definitely do that. So whatever you want to do is definitely okay. Now that we're all done, we have to put everything on here, right? So what is this? Do you know what this is?
Plate.
That's a plate.
Ow.
Uh-oh, be careful.
Plate.
What is this? What do you think that is?
Plate.
That's a little cup.
In the top.
And what is this?
Fork.
Fork. So I'm gonna show you where these go. So that goes there. Then we have our fruits that go right here. Our grains that go right here. We have our vegetables. And we have our protein. So
Yummy.
protein is like meat and things like that. But do you know what cauliflower is? Let's see if we find cauliflower in here. Try to see which one. Do you know what else? Oh, is this healthy?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have our cheese.
And help.
Yes, it is. This is fish. But we're not using fish. We're only looking for our vegetables. So let's...
Purple.
Yeah, we're using everything for green. Do you know what this is?
Yeah.
This is called asparagus. Okay, what else? What else do you see?
That one.
Lemon. Lemon and lime. Okay, you can put that there. Okay, let's see. Ooh, you like these.
Then I probably want
These are peas.
peas.
So there's peas right there.
I want to eat
I know. Look, they're green beans.
I
Green.
want to eat them.
Yeah, they're very yummy. Let's see. What else? What else? What else?
Eat it.
Ooh, that's bread, but we don't eat that right now. Let's see.
The donut. I didn't buy it donut.
Yeah.
I want to buy donut.
Donuts are not healthy. Does this look healthy to you?
Yeah.
No, these aren't healthy. We're gonna put the not healthy
I'm
stuff right.
down.
Oh no, be careful. Let's
I
see.
see it.
Ooh, there's lettuce. I believe that's lettuce.
There's
Carrots go right here too.
There's two here.
That's peanut. Oh, actually, yes, peanut butter does go there. Yes, but we're not talking about peanut butter
That
today.
one right.
So, we do have, like I said, all of our vegetables here that we use. We use cauliflower to make our wings, which is a lot healthier than using them in the deep fryer. That's why we put them in the oven. And then we have these items here. So these are our unhealthy items for today. Ice cream you can make healthy as long as you're using non-fat yogurt, not a lot of sugar. So make sure you guys are looking out for that because that's not that healthy. With pizza, you can make your own version of healthy pizza like we have in our other videos. So definitely do that. It'll be a lot healthier for you. Instead of using regular pepperoni, you can use turkey pepperoni, so it's a really good option. Ooh, yummy. But definitely we can try to make donuts as healthy as possible, just not how you buy them in store because they're not that healthy and they use white flour. Thank you so much for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you virtually again next week and at one of our centers as soon as we can. Until then, stay active, healthy, and informed. Bye.
Bye.